Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to activate professional mode on Facebook PC. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to activate professional mode on Facebook PC. First, just go to Facebook and then click in your profile picture. After that, click in the three dots and then click turn on professional mode. And then click turn on. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to activate professional mode on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.